In this review, I'll explain what the machine gun method is and how it works. The machine gun method is a complete package that combines training with powerful tools. It's designed to help you produce a large number of faceless YouTube videos quickly without needing to record or edit anything yourself. Here's the process. First, the system generates several scripts tailored to your niche or product. Next, those scripts are instantly transformed into polished videos ready to upload. What's included? A step-by-step training program that shows you how to set up campaigns, choose profitable niches, and attract traffic. A software tool called Traffic Sniper that automates campaigns and uploads. Bonus workshops and advanced strategies to scale into affiliate marketing channel flipping or even local business services. In short, the machine gun method is both a training system and a toolkit that allows you to launch videos that scale dominate traffic on YouTube and Google and even pull in free traffic within days. Stay tuned because I'll also share important warnings and tips before you decide if this is the right choice for you. No paying for ads. YouTube, Google, all the traffic comes in completely free. No chasing subscribers. You don't even need them to start earning. No filming, no endless editing. The hard work's handled quick and simple. And absolutely no awkward camera time. Videos are created for you fast. Here's the best part. You can sell your own products and pocket the profits. You can push affiliate offers and make commissions. You can bring traffic to local businesses and lock in monthly income, or build entire YouTube channels and flip them for high ticket sales. It's quick, it's powerful, and it opens up multiple ways to make money online. The real question is, which one would you try first? Strategy, you can earn way more than you think. Imagine setting up a faceless channel loaded with 120 videos that can sell for over $5,500, and to the right buyer, it could go for much more because what they're really buying is a channel packed with free traffic ready to use. And here's the crazy party, you can build a full channel like this in just one day. So the question is, how many of these channels would you want to flip before the market gets crowded?